Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Okay. So, in the previous lectures, we have gone through the concept of this root locus. Okay. So, how we can draw the root locus for the various open loop transfer function. We are finding out the root locus for open loop transfer function. Make sure that it is open loop transfer function. Why? Because we will be having all the component on the denominator side. 1 upon 1 plus gs into hs is equal to 0. Okay, so if you are having gs into hs, which is having a k upon something, so it is be having a effect on your transfer function. Okay, not only open loop but closed loop also. So closed loop transfer function is nothing but cs upon rs is equal to gs upon 1 plus gs into hs, and open loop transfer function is given as 1 gs into hs only. Okay, so one thing you need to remember, what is closed loop transfer function and what is open loop transfer function. Okay, closed loop transfer function is gs upon 1 plus gs into hs. Open loop transfer function is gs into hs. Okay, we are finding out root locus, or we are doing the root locus for the open loop transfer functions only. Okay, if it is if the closed loop transfer function is known to you, you can find out open loop transfer function as well. જો તમને closed loop transfer function ખબર હોય તો open loop transfer function भी તમે find out કરી શકો. Okay, we have taken a wide variety of example for the real poles as well as the complex pole. Okay, in our tutorial there is an example of complex zeros also. Okay, if it is not there, we will do one another example also in which there will be a complex zeros also. Okay, so uh, uh, that was regarding your root locus. I have uploaded tutorial number 5 that is related to root locus. So we will discuss in our next lab session, but meanwhile what you can do is you can calculate the procedure. Draw karta na faave to it's okay. Okay, but you can complete the procedure. I think all of you are now aware about what is the exact procedure of drawing the root locus, or how we can calculate the example for the root locus. Okay, so I have uploaded in approximately 10 examples are there, and 10 example you have to complete, and the root locus of that particular example need to be drawn on the graph paper. If the graph paper no concept lab lies Monday or Tuesday. Okay, we will discuss in a detail. Okay, now we will be switching to a new we will be going for a one new particular example in which there is the existence of double pole. Okay, double pole at origin. So suppose your question or your open loop transfer function is given as, is it visible or it is frozen?
Frozen.
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 Okay, 1 minute. Now
Yes, sir, visible.
so there is one particular system whose gs into hs is equal to this. Gs into hs is equal to k into s plus 1 upon s square into s plus 3.6. Okay, this is your open loop transfer function. I want to draw the root locus. I want to draw the root locus of this particular system whose open loop transfer function is given as this. Okay, so what will be the steps? Okay, first, how many poles are there? Rule number 32. How many poles are there?
Sir, 3.
3. Okay, what are they? क्या क्या છે?
સર બ્લર થોડુંક દેખાય છે.
Now,
હા સર હવે ક્લિયર છે.
બોલો. How many poles are there? 3. Okay, which are they? There are s square, that means 0 2 times. There are 2 0. Okay, then
સર
pole,
3.6 છે.
yes, it is minus 3.6. Okay, the zeros are 1, value is minus 1. Okay, so what will be the number of branches? Number of branches is equal to 3. Why? Because p is greater than z. Okay, number of asymptotes, it is equal to 2. Okay, p minus z. Okay, then centroid sigma, what will be the value of centroid in this case?
-1.3.
-1.3.
Angle of asymptotes, કેટલા આવશે? L ક્યાં સુધી જશે? Hmm?
0 1.
No 1 2.
0 1.
Only 0 1. Theta 0 is equal to theta 0 is equal to
90 degree.
90 degree. Theta 1 is equal to
270.
270. Okay, then breakaway point. For finding out breakaway point, I will take the help of characteristic equation. 1 plus gs into hs is equal to 0. I will use other pen. I think because of the pen you won't be able to see perfectly, and the pen ink is somewhat okay. Just wait. So for finding out breakaway point, I will use this characteristic equation 1 plus gs into hs. So it will be like 1 plus k into s plus 1 upon s square into s plus 3.6 is equal to 0. Okay, so what will be, if I'm just multiplying it over here, s square into s plus 3.6 plus k into s plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so it will be like s cube plus 3.6 into s square plus ks plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay,
Ks plus K, sir.
sorry, k into s plus 1. So it will be s cube, k into s plus 1 is equal to s cube minus k s cube plus 3.6 into s square. Okay, and k is equal to s cube plus 3.6 into s square upon s plus 1. Okay, now I want to find out dk by ds. For finding out dk by ds, I will to make the differentiation with respect to s. So it will be s plus 1 whole square into bracket s plus 1, यदि हम माइनस यहाँ रखी देंगे थे, s plus 1, then differentiation of this, it will be
3s square
s square plus
plus
3.6 into 2, 7.2
7.2.
into s minus s cube plus 3.6 into s square and s1 no,
1.
0. So it will be minus s plus 1 3s square plus 7.2 s minus 3.6 s square. Okay, it is equal to 0. અહીંયાથી હું 0 કરી નાખું છું. Okay, એટલે ઉપર જશે જતું રહેશે. So 0 is equal to 3s cube plus 7.2 s square plus 3s square plus 7.2 s minus s cube minus 3.6 s square. Here final answer is equal to 3s cube. 3 માંથી શું જશે, ક્યુબ છે એટલે 2s square 2s cube, then plus 7.2 s square minus 3.6, so it will be 3.6
3 point.
અને પાછા
Sir,
બીજા
over 3 s square.
6.6 x square.
yes, and then 7.2s, so it will be 2s cube plus 6.6 s square plus 7.2s. Taking 2 as a common quantity, it will be s cube plus 3.3 s square plus 7.2, it will be 3. S common, s square plus 3.3 s plus 3.6 is equal to 0. What does that mean? You will be having now 3 roots. First root is what? Either s is equal to 0 and s square plus 3.3s plus 3.6 is equal to 0. આના બે root પડશે. What will be the answer of this? Calculate it.
minus 1.65
Minus 1.6965.
1.65
Okay,
plus 0.90 I
j. Okay, s2 is equal to minus 6.9.
minus 0.9
25. So we have got 3 breakaway points. First one is this, third one, second one is this, and third one is this. Okay, so by default this is your breakaway point. Okay, next step is what? Finding out angle of departure. Is it, do we need to find out angle of departure in this case? આમાં શોધવું પડશે.
No,
Why?
no. Poles are real.
Yes, because the poles are real, we don't need finding out phi d. Okay, if there is a poles are complex, we need to find out. Then we have to find out intersection with g omega axis. Okay, for that we need to require this characteristic equation. So what was our characteristic equation? Our characteristic equation શું હતું? Okay, characteristic equation was this: s cube plus 3.6 into s square plus this one, s cube plus 3.6 square plus k into s plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so s cube plus 3.6 s square plus ks plus 1 is equal to ks plus k is equal to 0. So I will prepare the root array. It will be 1, 3.6, then k and k. What will be the value of b1 calculated?
Point 723.
Point 22k. Okay, this will be 0. What will be the value of c1?
K.
Okay. Now I need to take auxiliary equation, so it will be 3.s square plus k marginal is equal to 0. What is the value of k marginal in this case? 0. So k marginal
0.
0. So 3.6 s square plus 0 is equal to this. So find out root. 3.6 s square is equal to 0. So s square is equal to again 0. Okay, so you will be having a no, it will be having answer is nothing but your 0 1. Okay, so that means intersection with j omega axis is either 0 or it is not intersecting with j omega. Okay, કારણ કે આનો આન્સર 0 આવે છે. આપણો આન્સર ઓમેગા આવશે તો અને તો જ it is intersecting with your j omega. Now I will draw the root locus. Okay, for the root locus, this is my j omega axis and real axis. Okay, so I will be having numbers over here. It will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, how many poles are there? 3, 0, 0 minus 3.6. Okay, 0 બે વાર એટલે હું અહીંયા બે વાર કરીશ. Dark p1 p2. Another pole is minus 0.36. Minus 0.36. It will be like this. This p3 is equal to minus 3.6. How many zeros? 1, whose value is
1.
minus, oh sorry, a 0 આમ આવવું જોઈએ. 0 કરી નાખો, પછી 3 છે તો 2 કરી નાખો, અહીંયા 2 કરી નાખો અને અહીંયા 1 કરી નાખો. Okay, so this is your RJ. Okay, it was my mistake. So 1 is over here. Now next step is what? We will find out whether the real axis is a part of root locus or not. Okay, so I will start from over here. Right hand side, how many poles? How many numbers of poles and zeros?
2.
2.
2. So is it a part of root locus or not?
No, sir.
Huh?
Sir, 3 આવશે ને?
1, 2
Yes, sir.
and
3.
3.
0 to time છે.
Yes, it will be a part of root locus. Okay. So आपको यहाँ root locus में part થઈ જશે. Next I will send it over here. Right hand side, how many poles or zeros? 2.
2.
Part नहीं. અહીંયા ઉભો રહો increase. તો અહીંયા right hand side કેટલા છે? નથી. So that means which one is remaining now? This one. આ જે dark કર્યું આટલો part છે એ રહ્યો. બાકી બધો નીકળી. Okay. Now if his k is varying from 0 to infinity, this pole will start to move and this 2 pole will start to move. Okay. આ pole અને આ pole જશે. કયા angle ઉપર જશે? That we have found out. Which angle? 90 degree and 270 degree. 90 degree and 270 degree. આ pole ને જવા માટેની જગ્યા ક્યાં છે? Left hand side or right hand side?
Right side.
Right. Why?
Right.
Because there is not a part of root locus, so it will go in this. Root locus will always starts from open loop pole and ends at 0. Open loop 0. એટલે આ pole અહીંયાથી start થશે ને અહીંયા ક્યાં finish થશે? અહીંયા. Now which one are remaining? P1 and P2 are remaining. P1 and P2 will start its journey. Okay. એને અહીંયા બી જવાની જગ્યા નથી, અહીંયા બી જવાની જગ્યા નથી. Okay. Now it will go in this direction. Okay. It will go to infinity. અહીંયાથી એ જશે infinity જશે. અહીંયા બી જઈ શકે છે, અહીંયા બી જઈ શકે છે, और અહીંયા બી જઈ શકે છે, અહીંયા બી જઈ શકે છે. For that, which angle it should go? કયા angle ઉપર જશે? 90 અને 270. 90 એટલે આ angle થયો, 270 એટલે એ અહીંયા જવો જોઈએ. અહીંયા બી નહીં કે અહીંયા બી નહીં, અહીંયા જશે. If it is going over here, does it touch to j omega axis? Yes or no? अगर yes तो क्या टच થાય છે? 0 ઉપર. Okay, is it or it is not touching? એટલે આ બંને પોલ અહીંયાથી જર્ની સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે. કયા એંગલ ઉપર જવા જોઈએ? 90 ડિગ્રી and 270 degree. It should be touching at 0. j omega axis ઉપર 0 એક ટચ થવા જોઈએ. And they should break away at which particular point? Break away point કેટલા મળ્યા હતા મને? 3. એમાંથી આ બે તો વેલિડ હતા જ નહીં. Which one is valid? What does that mean? P1 and P2 pole which are located on 0, by varying the value of k, they will start from 0, break away at 0 and intersect with j omega at 0 and tends to infinity. એટલે ક્યાં જશે? એ આ બાજુ ઉપર જશે. આ બાજુ ઉપર. Okay, because તમારો જે સેન્ટ્રોઇડ કયો હતો? -1.3. so it will be like over here. Okay, એમાંથી આ તમારો એંગલ બન્યો 90 and 270. એટલે અહીંયાથી આમ થશે. Okay. Done? Any query?
No, sir.
Okay, so in your tutorial there is one more example like this also, so we will discuss. But what is why I have uploaded yesterday only, because at least જ્યારે lab ચાલુ થાય ત્યારે તમે at least થોડુંક કામ કરીને આયા હોય, so it would be beneficial for us. Okay, એટલે ટ્યુઝડે ની જે લેબ છે, સોરી મંડે ની જે લેબ છે, એમાં at least તમે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીને આવશો તો you will be having a good practice in drawing the root locus. ઓકે, અને ગ્રાફ પેપર લઈ લેજો લોકડાઉન થાય એની પહેલા. Okay, so this is regarding your stability chapter. We can find out the stability of the system with simple observation. Roots find out करवाना, left hand and right hand side મૂકવાનો. Left hand side or the system stable, right hand side system unstable. On the j omega axis, system will be either marginally stable or unstable. Okay, then we have gone through the concept of root criteria. એમાં સ્પેશિયલ કેસ 1 હતો, સ્પેશિયલ કેસ નંબર 2 હતો. There was a simple case કે જેમાં સ્પેશિયલ કેસ અને 1 અને 2 બી નતા આવતા. That we can find out with the help of root criteria. Then we have taken the concept of root locus. Okay, this was regarding your stability chapter. Now next chapter is time response analysis. Okay, next chapter is time response analysis. પ્રતિક સરે તમને કંઈ કીધું છે સેકન્ડ લેક્ચર લેશે એવું કંઈ?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
So just take a break of 5 minutes. Okay, I may be continuing this lecture. Okay, એક મિનિટ, અત્યારે કોઈ લીવ ના થતા હું સરને પૂછી જોઉં, બરાબર? જો એ કહે લેવાનું તો આપણે કન્ટિન્યુ નહીં કરીએ. Just wait, huh?
આપે જે વ્યક્તિને કોલ કર્યો છે એ આપી રહ્યા કૃપા કરી થોડા સમય પછી.
Okay. We will be continuing this lecture. Take a break of 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, એટલે અત્યારે આ મીટિંગમાંથી લીવ થઈ જાઓ. ફરીથી જ્યારે હું જોઈન થવાનું કહીશ વોટ્સએપ ઉપર, you have to join. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Leave.